I wanted a community that can help me through. And I found TechStylers. The fact that it's a community of women who are willing to help, assist other women, I was so excited. They were patient enough to, take us through. No question was foolish. No question was too simple. And none was too hard. I told myself, by June, I must write this exam. I passed the exam.
The whole mission and goal is to just provide a platform so all the rising PowerAddicts around the world can showcase all the amazing things they're building.
It's not about the success of people now, it's about the success of people coming up.
If you work with Power Apps, you have infinite options in your future, and then you have infinite access to all the friends around you.
Thank you for attending our first annual Power BI Women's Summit.
Jump in and use your voice in technology. If you've been invited into a room, you've been invited in there for a reason. Utilize that space and take your space. Let people know your ideas. Let people know that you can think outside of the box.
I'm a woman, I'm an MVP, and I power BI.
Hi, I'm Soumya Soni, and I power BI.
I'm Indira Bandari, I power BI.
I'm Mirha Bandari, I power BI.
And I power BI too.